To open a BMO savings account, start by gathering the required documents, which typically include a valid government-issued ID, social insurance number, and proof of address. Next, choose the type of savings account that best suits your needs, such as a standard savings account, high-interest savings account, or youth savings account. Consider factors like interest rates, fees, and minimum balance requirements when making your decision. Now, visit the BMO website or mobile app to begin the application process. Fill out the online application form, providing the necessary personal and financial information. You will be asked to create a username and password to access your account online. Once you have submitted your application, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the account. You may be required to fund your account immediately, either by transferring money from an existing account or by depositing cash at a BMO branch. After your account is open, take some time to set up your online banking and mobile banking access. This will allow you to easily manage your account, check your balance, and transfer funds from anywhere. To get the most out of your BMO savings account, consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to build your savings over time. You can also take advantage of BMO's budgeting tools and savings goals features to help you stay on track. Finally, be sure to monitor your account activity regularly and adjust your savings strategy as needed. By following these steps and using the resources available to you, you can make the most of your BMO savings account and achieve your financial goals.